Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to file income tax return military, full guide. Gather your W-2, Form 1099, less, and receipts now and organize them by category. Start by confirming your filing status and any deployments that affect income exclusions. Use a checklist to track deadlines and documents so nothing is missed. I will walk you through common forms, deduction choices, and where to get free military tax help so you feel confident. First, collect Form 1040, all relevant schedules, W-2s, and any Form 1099s you received. Check your LES to verify taxable allowances and withheld taxes against reported wages. If you have deductible expenses, choose Schedule It to itemize or take the standard deduction if it applies. I will explain which lines to watch, how to transfer totals, and simple checks to avoid mistakes before you e-file. Let's review common deductions and credits that matter for service members, starting with the Earned Income Credit and child-related tax breaks. Combat pay exclusions can reduce taxable income, but they also affect some credit calculations, so I'll show how to handle that. We'll cover troop-related moving expenses, unreimbursed uniform costs, and education benefits rules. By the end, you'll know which boxes to check and how to claim what you deserve.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.